Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2014 Mercedes-Benz A45 AMG we have new in stock. This A45 is finished in Cosmos Black and the car has a great list of specifications from the factory. To start with some of the exterior features, you've got the optional AMG multi-spoke alloy wheels with the optional red painted brake calipers. You've also got privacy glass as an optional feature. You've got the AMG Night Package as a standard feature with the gloss black exterior trim features. You can see the darkened tailpipes, the black exterior mirrors. The list of features continues onto the interior. This A45 has the AMG Exclusive Package. That gets you the AMG seats with the integrated headrests, the contrasting red stitching and the contrast red cut leather. You get the 4-way lumbar support and also heated seats for the driver and the passenger. You've also got the optional seat memory package as a separate feature, visible on the door cards here. You've got the Harman and Kardon Logic 7 sound system, the speakers for that visible on the door card, the optional panoramic sliding sunroof. You've got your leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel here with your Alcantara grab handles. Access to your cruise control functions. From the side, you've got the lane tracking package, which gets you lane track assist, blind spot system and some other features. On the center console, you've got access to your infotainment controls. You've got your leather wrapped drive selector with the AMG logo embossed. You've got your climate vents with the contrast red trim around the edge. You've got your center screen where you've got access to your optional reversing camera function. You've got your park assist functions further up on the top of the dashboard. Some other optional features you have from the factory are the Command 6 disc changer, the intelligent lighting system, a heated windscreen with washer system, the load through facility, and you've also got the AMG performance exhaust system. If you'd like any more information on this 2014 A45 AMG, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.